Students, good morning. Students, in today's class, we will be going through the question number 4 of exercise 4.2 and exercise 4.3 that is totally based on graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so let us start today's class. Exercise 4.2 question number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 in a solution of equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. So first what we are going to do, we are going to substitute the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to k in this expression. So 2 into x value is 2 and y value is 1. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So 4 plus 3 equal to k. So k equal to 7. Okay. Now let us move to the exercise 4.3. This exercise 4.3 is totally based on the graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. Fine. So let us start this exercise. The first question, bit number 1, x plus y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 minus x. The x is equal to this side. So it becomes 4 minus x. Now for different value of x, we are going to get the value of y. So when the x equal to 0, I am getting the y equal to 4. X equal to 4, I am getting y equal to 0. X equal to 2, 4 minus 2, y equal to 2. After that we have to make a table. In this way you need to make a table. And after that you have to plot this point on a graph paper. Now you have to arrange a graph paper. In that you have to make x and y axis. Here this side positive, this side negative. So it is x dash, this side positive, up and down is y dash negative. Fine. Now here I have taken 1 centimeter box equal to 1 unit. So always in the top you have to write scale. In x and y axis 1 centimeter box equal to 1 unit. This 1 unit, it depend upon the question. You may take sometime 10 unit also, sometime 2 unit also, sometime 5 unit also. It depend upon the question. Okay. So here I have taken only 1 unit. Now we will plot. So x0 y4. So x0 y4. Then x4 y0. So x4 y0 is this point. And then x2 y2. x2 y2 is this point. Just join all the 3 dots and make a line and name this line. The name of this line is x plus y equal to 4. So in this way we can represent this linear equation in two variable on a graph paper. Now come to the bit number 4. 3 equal to 2x plus y. So y equal to 3 minus 2x. This 2x bring to this side. So it becomes 3 minus 2x. Now for different value of x, we are going to find out the value of y. So let x equal to 0. I am getting the y value as 3. X equal to minus 1. I am getting the y value as 5. So x equal to 2. I am getting the y value as 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. After that I have to make a table already mentioned over here. Now you have to write the scale. The scale in x and y axis. Here also I have taken 1 centimeter box equal to 1 unit. Now you have to take the graph paper. On a graph paper you have to plot this point. Fine. So this side positive, this side negative, positive and negative. So you will mention it as x, this x dash, this y and this y dash. The first point is 0, 3. So x is 0 and y is 3. So 0, 3. The second point is minus 1, 5. So x is minus 1 and y is 5. So it is minus 1, 5. The third one is 2 minus 1. So third one is 2 and minus 1. So this is 2 and minus 1. Fine. Now you have to join all these 3 dots and you will see it will be a straight line. Then write the equation that is equal to 3 equal to 2x plus y. So in this way we can plot a linear equation in two variable on a graph paper. So in this video we have completed up to question number 1, and in the next video we will proceed further. Okay, thank you.